All right, so the next cause of the Russian Revolution was the fact that the people thought that the Tsar family was corrupt. So we have this guy named Rasputin, and he was a religious teacher. He thought that he had mysterious powers, and the Tsar thought that he was providing medical relief to his son, who had a medical condition called hemophilia, where someone with hemophilia could get a paper cut and bleed to death because their blood does not clot. So the Tsar thought that Rasputin had some kind of mysterious medical power that was helping his son's hemophilia. So he had a lot of responsibilities in the Tsar family. So people basically thought that he was taking control of the government and that he had his hands too much on or in Russia's government. So they planned an assassination attempt against Rasputin because they thought that he had too much of his hand in the Russian government. So they lured him into a mansion where they fed him poisoned cakes. He didn't die from that, so then he was then shot several times, and then they threw his body into a river, and then later the medical examiner found out that he did not die from the poisoning or the gunshots. He actually died from drowning. But overall, you just need to know that the fact that Rasputin had so much influence over the Tsar family, it showed to the people that the government was corrupt, and it added to the lower classes' distrust for the family.